Did you know that in our island Jamaica, we consume 10 million kilograms of onion annually, 9 million kilograms of which are imported? In this video, I interviewed a family that has been planting and growing onions for decades in Flaggerman, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. But before I get into the video, I'd like to educate you a little bit more about onions. Onions are vegetables and are a member of the Allium genus of flowering plants that also includes garlic, shallots, leeks, etc. The vegetable contains various vitamins, minerals, and potent plant compounds that have been shown to promote health in many ways. In fact, the medicinal properties of onions have been recognized since ancient times, when they were used to treat ailments like headaches, heart disease, and mouth sores. Onions contains chemicals that seem to reduce swelling, inflammation, reduce lung tightness in people with asthma, and reduce levels of cholesterol and sugar in the blood. Onions are nutrient dense, meaning they are low in calories but very high in vitamins and minerals. One medium onion is just 44 calories, but delivers a considerable dose of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The vegetable is particularly high in vitamin C, a nutrient involved in regulating immune health, collagen production, tissue repair, and iron absorption. I could go on and on about onions, but let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into the video. You're watching Shan Unique Vlogs JA. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.
Trevor, go one bag of onion and he bring here so. But I say fair bag of onion you have to dry down, you know. Yeah. The onion has to dry down.
Oh, okay.
Like a this, broke, so they leave them broke.
Right.
Somebody, I don't even think you see here, can be ripped.
Oh, okay.
You understand me now?
If they're not dried down, they
No,
can't
if
read.
they're not dried down like this can be ripped. See there? See them here. See them here. These, some of these can be still.
Yeah.
You know? They have to lap like they have to be lap. You know, they have to be lap. We have a problem. The problem gone. It was the army work, but they gone.
Okay.
When they want to spray, they bring it for it.
Oh, okay.
They bring in a chemical for it, you know.
Yes. Yeah.
But we have a big problem. They have a fungus in the earth now. They say caused by a weed killer and they say caused by cockroach. But cockroach, I don't think it's cockroach. It's caused by some chemical.
Yeah.
What they use and burn. After they burn the bushes.
Yeah.
It's caused by, you know, some weed killer caused by.
Oh, okay.
You know, lots of people rip onion, get all 100 bags, and when they don't, they get 20.
Yeah.
Because the bottom of them, I don't see none of this one still.
Yeah.
The bottom of them.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Bad root. They call it. Which one? Right? Yeah.
Bad root one?
Yeah.
Come show me.
This is a guard, that's spoil. This guard here is spoil.
Okay.
You know, it's a disease that takes a couple of them. The disease that takes the onion. See that here? It's a disease that takes the onion.
Oh.
This guard here is spoil.
So what you call this?
This is a fungus.
Oh.
Yes.
Bad root?
It's a fungus that takes the disease. You know, it's rather say it's cockroach. They say it's caused from some weed killer, so they don't.
Oh.
It's a bad disease. Yes, it's a bad disease.
Yeah.
This here. It's the first. Oh God. You don't get 10 bags out of it.
Really?
No. You do not get 10 bags out of it.
And this is a nice size garden, man.
You can get more there, you get all 150 bags or 200 bags.
Wow.
And you don't get 10 bags because of the bad thing.
Why?
And the hatch good.
Yes, yes.
Jesus come take.
Right, so the sisters are here cutting down the onions.
Onion. after you pull it out the garden, you have to take a knife, cut off the bottom, and you cut the top off this. And you put it in the bucket. One bucket full is 30 pounds.
30 pounds.
Yeah, so each bag holds 50 pounds.
Right.
See, these are first class.
Mm-hmm.
These are pretty onions.
Yeah, they are.
Pretty onions.
You're gonna cut onion too?
Yes, going to cut.
You're gonna cut?
Yes,
Oh, so you always help cut when they have onion?
yes, I always cut.
Okay.
Yes. And oh, yes, I did for my son.
Okay.
But them, they're coming in here. Spread peas, how is the?
Yeah, I saw it.
Yes, and this is my grandson.
Okay.
Yes, grandson, granddaughter, daughter,
Okay.
and the granddaughter.
Yes.
Yes.
And great granddaughter?
Granddaughter.
Oh, okay.
So, you see, I know is now.
Yes. That's what. Fourth generation?
Come on here, so that's it. Then you do have a lot of people, man. Oh, man, I'm more admire you how you do a lot, you know?
Yeah.
You help people a lot, man, you know? Gee whiz. Help people a lot, man, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, keep up the work, babe. Keep it up. Keep it up.
I
Keep
will.
it up.
Yeah.
And God bless you. Yeah, the more you do, and the more, you know?
That's true.
Yeah, the more you do, my dear, the more you get paid. You know, reward.
Yeah.
You know, look for money, you know, but reward that comes, yeah.
Blessing, the
Blessings,
blessing.
yeah, blessings, yeah. Blessings, yeah, man. Never more admire you. But I'm my daughter live back so feel way.
Yeah.
And one night I watch and she said, Mama, watch the lady here.
Yeah.
And she said, better not tell where she come from. You know?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, man, just keep up the work, Dave. Keep
Yes,
up the
man,
work,
I
yeah.
will.
Yeah.
Whoa, holy for onion. Yes. With them kind of onion, we don't need no imported onion.
Yes, I know, babe. Yes, that's true. The one guy around there saw 3 acres himself. And
Yeah.
yeah. 7 bag in the road.
7 bag?
Yeah, when you ready the morning, buy up in, put it 2 or 3, so it's what a bag. And then go in the garden when you work as the man, so when you start putting the onion. So when you start putting the piece, you might go down
Yeah.
the whole around like this, so right now in the dirt.
Oh my God.
So that's how you used to do it.
Yeah. Him cry.
There's somebody back coming along. Oh gosh.
Oh my.
It's all the last money you have in him. I go to do the crop now if you do something, you know?
Yeah. Wow. That's a one thing with farming. It's a win and lose situation. You have to go in by faith. So rather never help him or nobody not help him? Yeah.
Then that come and even the soil and go, you know.
But nobody could.
Yeah, we go lab and see what is what, but no.
Oh.
They have them special people who then come to.
Yes, that's true.
Mm.
You have the special people.
The rich one, them. You have the
But
rich
like
and
a
the poor
place
one,
like Flagaman with known to farm onion, they should take special notice when something like this going on. are your brother's onion. How much onion is this? This is a lot of onion.
Well, actually, we have 30 bags so far.
30 bags.
Each bag weighs 53 pounds, just multiply it by 29. Yeah, so normally it's 50 a pound going there, but you know you have to give it like 3 pounds extra on it.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's actually 9,000, but if you come with 8,500, you get the same weight. Everybody wants to survive.
Yes, that's true. How often do you reap onion?
Well, it depends. It depends because you have to have certain time. 2 times a year.
2 times per year?
Yeah.
Oh. So you can reap every 3 months?
Yeah, every 3, yeah. Depends. Because the water kind of sticky and so now.
Oh, so if it's not getting enough water, you're not gonna get the onions. Thank you very much. So we can share with mommy. Nice talking to you, family. Yes, the whole family. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.